Let's get back to the Polestar real quick. First electric SUV. Polestar's first electric SUV, October 2022, and made in and for the U.S., which is cool, which is good, which is fine. What do you think about the shape? I think it looks pretty good. It looks kind of like one of those chubbier sedans, which is a lot of people like that. BMW's done it effectively. Polestar 3 aptly named third vehicle from the electric performance marquee. Its official reveal October 22, 2022. Company announced. Highly competitive and lucrative SUV market. This is true. It will sport a dual motor drivetrain, large battery with a range target of over 372 miles, which is 600 kilometers. That is a decent range target, isn't it?
600 kilometers.
That's good. In addition to being a higher riding vehicle than the Polestar 2 fastback sedan, it will also include a partially autonomous driving system for highway driving, thanks to the inclusion of a LiDAR sensor from supplier Luminar.
How much mileage does your Plaid have?
500 kilometers.
Oh, so this would beat it? And it's a larger vehicle.
But I think the performance is not quite the same.
They seem to be saying that their competitors are going to be like the Audi e-tron.
Yeah.
Or
I can see that. Yeah. Absolutely. Yeah.
Which to me, those are like more performance.
I don't mind what they're doing with their design decisions. Like, I find these to be pretty good looking vehicles. The Polestar vehicles.
Polestar, yeah.
We never had one in studio.
No, we haven't.
We would like to see it in real life. But when I see the content,
I like these lights.
When I see the content, I don't mind what's going on.
Yeah, I wish there were more images here.
More like real life images rather than these like studio.
Might not be available yet. It's all right. We'll get it in studio, right, Will?
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely like to check it out.
We'll get a Polestar product in studio.